up, AOTC fam? Here we are, headed out this morning with the Kayak. It's gonna be a toasty one today. It's only 7 a.m. and it's already 75 degrees and the humidity is just insane. Yesterday, the news said it was the same as the jungle exhibit at our zoo here in Omaha. So to give you an idea, it's just ridiculous how hot it is. But we're gonna try and get out early this morning before the heat kicks in and try and catch as many as we can. We're on a limited amount of time because I gotta get off the water for life stuff shortly this morning, but we're gonna see what we can catch. We're going to the sand pit. You see us at all the time. Gonna throw jigs, stuff like that, hopefully. Some LS lures. I have the LS lures buzz bait tied on, so top water would be cool. Fishing shade lines, stuff like that. But we're gonna see what bites, see what hits. Crappie, I don't care. I'll catch anything. So we will see you at the lake. TC fam, that's a wrap. Decent day, hotter than anything out there. It literally is the jungle, so I'm glad I got out when I did, and now we got pleasure boaters out there, if you can see. So got off at a good time, not super hot yet, so, and it worked out well. Ended up with 78 inches on my best 5, so like a 15.5 inch fish average. And I was trying to target bigger fish out here just because I was curious. I usually just catch as many as I can, but this time I was going for bigger fish with the LURES Midwest Flippin' Jig in black and blue. Definitely check them out if you've not before. They are great jigs. They hold up worth amazingly, like unreal, like because they're hand tied. Every single one of them. Can't even tell you how many I've caught on the one I have tied on right now. I don't think I've taken it off all summer, so that gives you an idea. But anyway, caught some on the LS Lures buzzbait. It was kind of just an LS Lures show today. I caught a couple on the, oh my gosh, what are they called? Wacky rig with the ball head jig. I cannot remember for the life of me what they're called. I'll put it on the screen here. But yeah, so those were the two main players, was the jig and the buzzbait. Fun day, like I said. Haven't been out in a while, so it's good to get out there, good to get on the kayak before it got super hot. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. We're gonna keep pumping them out before we hit winter. We got fall coming up here, so that's exciting time to be out on the water with them up chasing bait on up shallow. So yeah, more to come. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Check out my Omnia fishing reports. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.